morning, everybody. So I am gonna try to vlog again today. We'll see what happens. I'm the worst. Anyway, here's real world craziness. So today is the Mint It Here Cafe. It's the first one that I am being a part of. It's really exciting. Essentially, we are partnering with a few different organizations here in Spokane. They reached out to me, Spokane Zero Waste and Art Salvage to be specific. And so I'm gonna go help people learn how to mend their clothing and to mend their own clothing, to show samples, and to get to know some other people. So it's getting me out of the house, which is a big deal for me. But of course this morning I decided that I needed to make a shirt because the shirt I wanted to wear, I cropped it last year and not feeling the crop thing for this event. So anyway, I'm making a shirt right now, and then I am going to take you along for the ride as we go to a very first Mint It Cafe. I'll share with you some more information on kind of what it is historically and that stuff as we go through the day, but hopefully you'll enjoy this. It's such an important thing to mend our clothing. So many billions and billions of clothing ends up in landfills every single year, and we can help prevent that. You can help prevent that. I can help prevent that. Just simply mending your clothing makes a huge impact. So anyway, I'm gonna finish up this shirt so I can get on my way to the event, and I'm so excited. Here we are at the Shadle Library. Let me show you what's going on. So come on in. We're getting started soon. You'll sign up here. They will assign you to a mender, and then the menders were all set up over here, and we'll be doing some of the mending, and then we're going to log everything and keep track of the impact that we're making. We already have a line of people. This is Ashley. She's one of the menders. And then here's our line. Nice.
Executive Director of Spokane Zero Waste, and this was our first ever Mint It Cafe. We were working hard to keep textile waste out of the waste stream. We had a really amazing day today. I think we got through, Katie, what did we get through?
44 items. We're still adding up the weight, so we'll have that soon.
Awesome.
We're really excited. We're going to keep doing this, so get your Mint It pile together and get on Spokane Zero Waste Facebook or Instagram to learn when the next Mint It Cafe will be.
Awesome. All right, just wrapped up. Okay, so that was from, let's see, like I left the house at 9:30, I think, and it is now 2:41. So that is a long volunteer day, but it was so much fun. It was so worth it. If you have the opportunity to attend a Mint It Cafe or volunteer, I absolutely recommend it. This is the first one that we did, and we actually mended 44 counted items. And then we had 45 pounds that we saved from the landfill. So it's pretty freaking phenomenal. So cool. Thank you all for joining me in this journey today, and look for a Mend It Cafe in your neighborhood. And if you can't find one, then maybe put one on yourself. All right, that's it everybody. Until next time, see ya.